Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to share you the tutorial that how you can change your username on Instagram easily. Before further any delay, let's do it. First of all, open your Instagram account. After opening your Instagram account, go to profile option. After coming to profile option, there is an option of edit profile. Click on it. Here you can see username. Click on it. Now change it according to yourself. I'm changing it like you can see that its username is already available, so choose a username that's not available before. So I can choose, here it is. Now click on OK button. Now you can see that my username is changed. If you found this video helpful, then make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video. Thank you.